So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to convert this conceptual diagram to a digital drawing in AutoCAD. So I'll be doing this a small house type of thing, which the bubble diagram is right over here, and we'll do a digital drawing for this. I'll do a single line drawing just for your understanding that how does it go. Rest all details I will give in my rest of the videos, and many of them I've also given in my previous videos, so go check it out on my channel. So let's say first we have a living. So what we'll have is first entry fire. Let's say like this. Have an entry fire of around what, 8 feet long, and then we'll just offset it by 6 feet. So like this will be like our entry fire. Here will be a door. I'm not doing all the thing in this video, like, because it just, to show you how does it actually like work. So just a digital representation for you. So here will be like a foyer. Then what we'll have is a full living area right over here, as you can see. I'll just scale the image. If you don't know how to scale the image, then I have made a separate video on it. Go check it out. So first we'll have a big living. So we have a living. Let's say we have a living right over here. Let's make a big box for that. So this becomes our main living area. Then what is connected with the living area is one kitchen, right? So halfway we'll go for a kitchen right over here, and with the kitchen we will also have a utility area. And make sure I will detail all this out in my next videos, and I have also given it on my previous videos, so go check it out on my channel and gain some knowledge. This is just a single line drawing that I'm doing. So with kitchen we'll also have a dining area. You can also have, a nice balcony or a green space right over here, which will also look good. So this is what dining will come here. We can have a big balcony right over here also. So I also have work area like connected to my living area. I always like to work in a private, little silent, and the good space where I can have my own thoughts, and I nothing to worry about like that. So like this, I'll have my work area. Then work area, we can also attach a bathroom right over here, maybe right over here. Then we'll also have a bedroom, which will be slightly bigger, but not off the limits. You should also know the laws that you have to follow in your particular region. So here we can have a bedroom. Then with bedroom also we should have attached bathroom. So here we'll make like a walk-in wardrobe, and here we'll make a bathroom right over here. And also we can have a little balcony space over here also. So this is what, a very vague one line drawing looks like in AutoCAD. From a concept bubble diagram like this, you have to go like this, and of course you have to detail it out like to a very huge extent. And I will also teach that, so don't worry. Follow my channel and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.